Hi everyone, the snow is starting up again here in Minnesota, Duluth, Minnesota. Another snowy day. We took quite a little long break, but now the snow is back again. High winds off and on, but calm now, just snowing. And it's beautiful, it's great. The wind is gone for now because it is cold when the wind blows, but it's beautiful to have wind and snow and stay safe, alive, and survive. I don't advise anybody going out in this, especially walking. You're out and about. I'd head towards your house or towards a friend's house, family's house, or inside a restaurant. Maybe it'll stop soon. Talk to you guys later.